So we know now that everybody needs life insurance, but many of us don't know how much life insurance one should take. How much is enough and how much is not enough?
Well, there can be a fairly detailed calculation of how much life insurance you need, or you could do what is called a rule of the thumb calculation. A quick rule of the thumb is, you can do it this way: multiply your earned income, your salary or your income from business, by 12 times. So yearly income multiplied by 12, that becomes the starting point. From that, if you reduce the amount of realizable assets that you have. Now, when I meant realizable assets, I mean if you have some shares, if you have some debt funds, or if you have some fixed deposits or money lying in a PPF account, etc., you minus that. Please take care not to minus your primary residence, as in the value of the house in which you stay. Obviously, when you die, you don't want your family to have to shift out of the house by having to sell it. So don't include that as an asset. And to this you add any loan liability that you might have. So if I want to quickly summarize a very thumb rule calculation: yearly income, multiply that by 12, minus realizable assets that you can quickly convert into money, excluding your primary residence, add to that any loan that you might have. Now that constitutes your life insurance requirement, if you don't do it in a complicated manner.